शेनवारा गोंयभर सांजाव व्हडा उमेदीन मनयलो. इतलेच न्हय तर बारीन आनी यूकेत रावपी गोंयकारांनी लेगीत गोंयच्या यादीत ताजो करीत एकठांय येवन सांजाव मनयलो. पळयात काय उर्बेभरीत खीण.
सो माझे नाव अल्बानो फर्नांडीस, हांव म्हापशेचो आनी हांव रावता केंट यूके. पूण हांव आज 2 वरां ट्रॅव्हल करून आयज क्रॅनपॅड येयलेलो आहा. हो इव्हेंट, हे इम्पॅक्ट इव्हेंट जे ऑर्गनायझर बरो इव्हेंट ऑर्गनायज केला. खूब लोक आहा, बरी म्युझीक आहा, लोक कॉपेल कॉम्पिटिशन आनी सगळे बरे हितून आहा आनी गोवन कम्युनिटी सगळी एक जालेली आसा. बरें दिसता. विवा सांजाव.
Hi guys, this is Colin Chikwera all the way from UK. I come from a place called Arosim in Kansalo in Goa. We're there for this event organized by Brown Cox. It's amazing, I must say guys. I haven't seen so many Goans around and they are still pouring in. The organizing is fantastic. Drinks, food is amazing. I think this event should be more recognized around the country amongst the Goans, and it should be widely spoken. That's what I feel, because it's amazing. I personally know the Brown Cox guys and they are fabulous. They would do anything for the Goan community. So I would say please do follow these people, do come for these events because it's fantastic. It's another way to, you can meet your Goan brothers and sisters in here. Goankarami konkani sagata. Hey events Brown Cox and organize kelanu. साकें बरे भाशेन केला, बरे भाशेन ऑर्गनायज केला, माणसुकीन केला आनी आमगे गोंयच मर्यादेन भितर रावन केला. कांय एस्टेश केला, बट इट्स अमेझिंग गायज. I must say thanks to Brown Cox and thanks to each and every person who organized this event.
I really enjoyed it and it was very, very fun, and also I really liked it a lot.
A lot.
Yeah, a
All right.
lot.
Hi, my name is Avio. I'm from Kurtorim, south of Goa. This organizes the Brown Cox. It's really fun event. It's good. We are having a good time. I'm here with my daughter. I'm in London for last 9 years, and it was really good to see all the Goans coming together and enjoying and having.
GOA365 खातीर श्वेता गांवकार आणि निखिल जल्मी.